Okay, so today we're going to be covering problem solving. So we should be used to this from GCSE. This is basically just the lower end of GCSE, so your 6s, your 7s. So we're just going to go through a few examples today, just to make sure if you've forgotten, to re-understand or just to make that foundation solid. Because in this new A level, it's all about problem solving and how it's written. So you're going to have a good understanding of what the question is actually asking. Okay, so if we look at this first one first, we can see that Jack and Jill are twins. James is 2 years older. Their total age is 62. So we need to find out Jack and Jill's ages and James's age. So we can do that first by maybe labeling the names with unknowns. So we can use Jack as X, Jill as Y, and let's do James as, I don't know, K. So X plus Y plus K is 62. But we know from the question that Jack and Jill will have the same age. So X equals Y. So we can label that X as well. So if we cross that out, X, then we can know that James is 2 years older. So K will equal X plus 2, as if we look at the question, 2 years older than one of them, Jack or Jill. So X plus 2. So we can cross out K and replace that with X plus 2. So now we only have one unknown, so we can solve this equation. So X plus X plus X plus 2 is equal to 62. 3x, if we simplify that, plus 2 is 62. Then if we try to get x on its own, so that'd be 3x is equal to 60. X is 20. So Jack is 20. Jill is 20, as they both have the same x. But James is x plus 2, so that would equal 20 plus 2. So James is 22. Okay, so here we have another question there. So the cost of pens, P, can be found with P equals 40 plus 0.06 n, where n is the number of cards. Another company finds the cost of the pens by P equals 70 plus 0.040 n. So we need to find 50, 1,500, 1,499 and 1,501. Then we want to discuss what we discover. So if we just do a quick table, so 50 cards, 1,000, then that, then let's label this company A, this company B. So then we can just easily sub in the values of n using our class whiz. So if we do company A first, so we 40 plus 0.06 50, that's 43. Let's do 1,500. That's £113. This is 129 and 94 pence. Then now we've found company's A prices, we want to find company B's prices. Okay, so get our calculator. 70 plus 0.04. Then the first one's 50. That's £72. Then 1,500. £130. 1499. That's 0.96. Then 15,001. So that's 13.4. Then we've done that now. So now we want to find what did we discover. So if we look at the prices, we can see at 1499 we have a price of £129.94, then 129.96. So company A is cheaper by 2p. But then if we look at 1501, we can see that company B is cheaper by 2p. Then if we look in between, we can see they're the same. So we can say that after 1,500 cards, company B is cheaper, but anything before 1,500, company A is cheaper. Okay, so here is 2 alleys, and this one has 4 people, this one has 6 people. In this alley, each person will take 20 minutes, and this alley 10 minutes. And we want to find out where it's quicker, which alley is quicker to get through. So I want you now to find a model to see what is quicker in many circumstances. So a general formula you can do to solve. Okay, so if we look at here now, we can see if each of these is going to be 20 minutes, that's going to be 20, 40, 1 hour, 1 hour 20 minutes. Then if we look on this one, that's going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, there below. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, so an hour. So obviously we would want to join this queue, but what about in other circumstances? So if we label each of these N, we can now do this. So we have 6N in this case. So where N is 10 minutes, so 60, 10, 60 minutes. But a better way to do this is 10, put in 10, because that represents how many minutes, then N. So in this case, we have 6 lots of N, which equals 60 minutes. So say if we had, I don't know, 20 people in this queue, we could do 20 equals N, equals 200 minutes. So we can do the exact same what we just did here to here. So 20 minutes, then how many people? N. So 24, that is 80 minutes. What about if we had, I don't know, another 20 people? 20 N, that's 400 minutes. So QA can be represented by 20N, and then B can be represented with 10N. Then that could be your answer.